This is the Chabacano word of the day with J. And the word is el calendario. In English, the calendar. Examples. ¿Dónde tú ya pones con el calendario? ¿Dónde tú ya pones con el calendario? Where did you put the calendar? Where did you place the calendar? Pagana padere el calendario. Pagana padere el calendario. The calendar is on the wall. The calendar is on the wall. ¿De cosa mes ese calendario? ¿De cosa mes ese calendario? What month is shown on that calendar? What month is shown on that calendar? That's all for today. See you on the next Chabacano word of the day with Jay.